Hey everyone, here is the drawing for the 700 subscriber giveaway. This is from last week. You'll have to go through the video to see what you won. So I am going to do the drawing real quick. We're going to go for number 1. Let's see real quick. Let me go ahead and mix them all up. Whoops. 1. All right, number 1. Let's see who wins number 1. That would be Cindy. Whoops. Cindy in 3383. Okay, Cindy has won before on some of my other drawings. So Cindy, please contact me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. That's going to be for all the winners today. Okay, drawing number 2 for the prize number 2 is for Deborah Province. Yay, Deborah. I really enjoyed talking to you yesterday, lady. You're a sweetie. Anyway, Deborah, you won number 2. The prize number 2. All right, prize number 3. Let's go ahead and get one. Oh boy. Is Nick's Crafty Corner. Miss Nick, you have won from me before too, so you know to email me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. Okay. And then number 4. Whoops. Number 4. Who is that? Who is that? Janae! All right, Miss Janae, you won number 4. Prize number 4, and you know how to get in touch with me, either the Facebook group or, email. It's up to you. I'm going to include it in your swap if you don't mind. If you guys, Deborah and Janae, if you don't mind me including that in your swap, please let me know. Otherwise, I can ship it separate. And then number 5. Number 5 goes to Virginia Martin, author speaker. Virginia Martin. Remember, everybody, you have to be a subscriber, which I already checked to make sure everybody was a subscriber, and USA address only. All right. And then number 6. Here we go. Who is it? Who is it? It's Miss Mary Roberts. Mary, if you're okay with me sending this prize with your swap, please let me know. Otherwise, I will try to ship it separately. Okay, you won number 6, Mary. And then number 7, the final prize, goes to Jennifer in 12. And Jennifer, you have won from me before too. Congratulations, everyone. Please email me or contact me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com, or you can, if you're on the Facebook Daisy Deb Crafts Facebook group, you can contact me there. But anyway, make sure, let me know if I can send it with your swap. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you later. Bye.